My video guide will give you detailed instructions to get rid of the fake survey alerts that are related to the website Beforemycollect.top. This survey alert claims to be related to the Google Chrome browser. Sometimes when it is popping up in Firefox, it may tell you that it's the part of some Firefox official survey. But in reality, this is a totally faulty information that you should not trust. Whenever people participate in this survey, they will be told to enter their name, their surname, their email address, and possibly some other information. And this data may be granted to third parties absolutely illegally. So stay away from interacting with these fake alerts. You need to establish the reason of such fake survey notifications, and what you could do is to check the list of your available applications. If you detect any items that are suspicious, right-click on them and move them to the trash. Also, consider checking the list of your browser extensions by going to the menu, clicking on More Tools, choosing Extensions, because sometimes the unusual browser behavior and these intrusive pop-ups may be the trace of some unwanted browser extension. So if you find such extensions, disable and delete them. I would also strongly advise that you perform additional investigation of your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com, the official web page. So download the software, install the application, and then start carefully examining your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will detect other threats that could be possibly hidden on your system. So after its antivirus database is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the research of your computer. After you click on the Start Combo Scan button in Combo Cleaner trial mode, the program will begin the detailed research and investigation of your Mac computer. By the way, certain features in Combo Cleaner trial mode are absolutely free. For instance, they are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Features like antivirus or privacy scanner are the parts of the premium license only. However, the program, even in the trial mode, will give you the full summary of all threats that were detected during the scan. The scanning may take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is, and then at the end of scan you will be able to review the results of the threats that were detected during the Combo Cleaner scanning. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So, as you can clearly see, the program not only gives you the names of threats, but also their exact location on your Mac computer. So you have an option to remove each threat manually, one threat at a time, and this will be free removal, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to get rid of all such threats altogether and automatically.